plus tested settings players are using right now. Had Windrose best PC settings to fix FPS drops, lags, and stutters 2026. Windrose is heavily CPU plus GPU demanding UE5 engine, and most stutters come from shader overload, resolution scaling, and background streaming issues. So the goal is reduce rendering load, stabilize frame time, not just FPS, remove spikes and micro stutters. Best in-game settings, most important. Display settings. Display mode, full screen, not borderless. VSync off. FPS limit 60 or match your monitor refresh rate. Motion blur off. Film grain lens effects off. Hatch graphics settings, critical fix area. These are the biggest FPS savers. Render scale upscaling, 70 to 75%, most important fix. Shader quality, low. Biggest stutter killer. Textures low, medium, depending on VRAM. Shadows low, effects low, reflections low, post-processing low. View distance medium, low if CPU weak. Grass foliage low or medium. This setup alone can remove 60 to 80% of stutters in UE5 games. Had advanced settings, DLSS FSR if available, performance mode, ray tracing off if present, anti-aliasing medium, don't max it. Shader compilation, let it finish fully before playing. Tapped Windows settings, very important for stutters. Power fix, Windows power plan, high performance. GPU fix, NVIDIA control panel, power mode, prefer maximum performance, low latency mode on, shader cache on, unlimited, if possible. Background fix, turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, Xbox game bar, browser tabs while gaming. Storage fix, huge impact. Install Windrose on SSD if NVMe only HDD guaranteed stutters, asset streaming lag. Extra pro fixes if still lagging. Try these if you still get spikes. SHAR1 cap FPS at 60. Even if you have strong PC, prevents frame time spikes. 2. Disable HAGs, hardware GPU scheduling, sometimes causes random stutters in UE5 games. 3. Update GPU drivers or roll back one version. New drivers sometimes break UE5 performance stability. 4. First launch shader build. Let the game sit in menu 5 to 10 mins. First run. Why Windrose lags, short explained. Most FPS drops come from shader compilation spikes, UE5 lumen lighting overload, high shadow plus foliage rendering, auto fake optimized settings. Even strong PCs get stutters if settings aren't manually tuned. Hash final best stable preset. Copy this. If you just want smooth gameplay, 70% render scale, shader low, shadows low, everything else low, medium, motion blur off, FPS cap 60, full screen. If you want,